Now I'm giving access to you also. Okay. Yeah. Swarna. Yeah. So we have done the set accounting, right? So now let us discuss the closing procedure. Okay. So closing procedure, suppose we are at the end of the financial year. What is our financial year? 21. So next financial year is 22. So when we are at the end of the financial year, suppose now we are at the March period. Let us assume we are at the period of March 21 physical year. So when we are at the end of the physical year 21, the end user, what he has to do, he has to carry forward all the balances of this year to the next financial year, which is 22, right? So this is closing procedure. It can be done by who? By end user in the production side. Whatever he will do that before I have to do test from my side in the development side, right? So not only that, we have to give the training to the end user. So now we are at the end of the financial year 21. So next financial year is 22. What are the steps we have to perform? Okay, so first step is we have to carry forward the vendors customer balances to the next financial year. Okay, so where from accounting means, remember, whenever the path start from SPRO, which is from SPRO stream, if the path is start from accounting means it is from SAP easy access. Okay, so this is the activity done by the end user from SAP easy access. Okay, the path actually I have given in the document. Okay, I'll use a transaction code F.07. I'll go to F.07. There I can carry forward vendors customer balances to next financial year. Okay. F.07. Company code, customers, okay, right, vendors, both together, select the customers, vendors, carry forward to physical year is what? Tell me, which carry forward to physical year?
2022, madam.
What's you know?
2022, madam.
2022, okay. Deselect test run. I want to execute not for testing purpose. Just ignore message. So it is telling that you are in still 21. It's okay. Ignore. So customer, GL, so customer special GL, advance, all. Let's see where we can see with how where I can check whether the balances of vendors or customer have been carried forward to the next financial year. FK10N or FD10N for customer. Suppose if you go for FK10N, you can see the vendor balances. You can go to FBL1N also. You can go to FBL1N or FBL5N by giving the physical year also, no problem. You can use FK10N also, whether the balances of 21 have been carried forward to the 22. Okay, so FK10N. Change N16. Okay. I'm giving 22. Okay. So I'm giving the N16 vendor and 22 execute. Right. In 22, the vendor balances are there or not? Is it? Okay. So where I can see whether customer balances are there in 22. FD10N. FK10N for this, FD10N. FD10N. So give the customer physical year, company code 22 physical year I'm giving. Select the customer. Okay, execute. So the balances of this customer from F21, it has been carried forward to 22. Okay, so I have carry forwarded these customer balances together in single step, that is F.07. Next, asset related. There are 3 steps we have to perform in this asset accounting. First step, actually, comparatively from other submodels in asset accounting, we can open 2 periods. Remember, we can open how many periods? 2 periods. In 2 periods means, sorry, 2 physical years at a time in asset accounting. Now which asset? Now which period we are now? Which physical year? 21. So without closing 21 in asset accounting, you can open the 22 also. I mean, you can work on the 21 as well as 22. This option is available only for asset accounting. So you can able to open 2 physical years in asset accounting. How you can open the 2 physical years means if you want to close the 21, you can close it. If you don't want, okay, without closing, you can open the 22. So in this case, 21 is also open. If you close the 21, when you open the 22, only one physical year is getting open. If you want to close it, if you want to close the present physical year, yes, you can open. Okay. So next physical year is 22. If you want, without closing also, you can open the 22. So at a time, you can open 2 physical years in asset accounting. But if you want to close this 21, make sure that for the entire 12 months, the depreciation should be run in the 21 physical year. For the entire 12 months without running depreciation, you can't do that. Once we close the physical year, again, it is difficult to open the physical year for the asset accounting. So make sure that you have to run the 21 relating to all the months depreciation. Okay, then you can close the 21, you can open the 22. Okay, so first we can see which year is closed for the asset accounting, where you can check. In OAAQ, the end user, he wants to say which physical year is closed. OAAQ, he can check that. In AJAB, if he wants to close the present physical year, you can close it as a AB. Then third step, he can open the periods as a or W. As a or W, open the physical year 22 means nothing but carry forward the asset balances to next physical year. Okay, so here you can see open of 22 means this year whatever the asset balances in the 21, those asset balances we are going to keep into the 22 physical year. That is the meaning of open. Okay, so let's see the one by one. First, where we can check which year is closed, OAAQ. Company code, which fiscal year is closed, you can see here. Now we are in 21. Okay, 2020 is closed. So from OA, AQ, anytime you can come here, you can see which year is closed. 2020 is closed. Okay, because we started from 21, right? So 2020 is closed. Next, okay, if you want to close this 21, where I can close? AZ AB. So what I told, make sure that for the entire 12 months, you have to run the depreciation. Okay. So N16, I'm not going to close it. Okay. Physical year to be closed. Okay. So then we have to execute. Okay. So then only deselect test run, not execute. This is the execute background process. Okay. So here, this is the way we can close the physical year. I'm not going to close this. Okay. Because I didn't run the depreciation for the entire 12 months. If I want to do anything in the real time scenarios, I want to show you some other scenarios for the in asset accounting. So that is the reason I'm not going to close this 21 fiscal year. Okay, while you are doing practice also, don't close this. Okay, but what I told, even though you don't close the fiscal year of 21, yes, still you can open the 22 fiscal year. So what is opening of 22 is nothing but you are carry forwarding the balances of 21 to 22. So 22 is physically it is going to open, and at the same time the balances of 21 has been carried will be carry forward to the 22. Okay, AJ or W. Company code, physical year. Okay, physical year. Okay, deselect restaurant. Okay, execute in background. I am going to open the 22 means I am carry forwarding the balances of 21 to 22. Output device name. Immediate. Okay. System services jobs finished. Let's see. Okay. So where I can see actually, let me go to AW01N, AW01N. Okay, here, what happened here? Let's say we have only one car, I think, or motor. I scrap one asset. I transfer this car. Yes, this car is there. I'm selecting this car, but I'm giving 22. Let's see the balances of that asset has been carried forward to the next fiscal year 22. Let's see that. This is our car. I transferred to the cost center B. Okay, car for B. So 22 I have given. Okay. So that asset acquisition value has been carried forward to the 22 or not, right? 5 lakhs rupees. Okay. So now what I did, AJ or W, I carry forward the asset balances. Okay. So here I have only one asset actually, so I can show you, but multiple assets together we can carry forward in single step. In single step, we can carry forward the balances as well as we can open the 22 fiscal year. Okay. Okay, so asset related steps also we have done. Next, GL balances, right? We have to carry forward the GL balances. Vendor customers is over, asset is over, then GL balances. FAG, LG, VTR. FAG, LG, VTR. Okay. Select leading ledger. What is leading ledger? We have separate concept. I'll explain you in the real time scenarios. Leading ledger, non-leading ledger. Okay. Select leading ledger. This is the system defined 0L. Okay, 0L, not OL. This is 0L. Okay, company code. Okay, so here carry forward to fiscal year is 22. Okay, so balance is written ending account. What is it? So balance is written ending account means that 1,100,000 GL account, right? Written earnings account. What is the purpose of creating 1,100,000 as saying there in the written earnings account? Eighth step we did in the basic settings, right? Why?
Yes.
Because the
Yes.
right. So profit or loss from P&L to it will go to the balance sheet, and from balance sheet it will go to the next financial as a opening balance, right? So that is also better by selecting this checkbox. Okay, execute. Okay, here first let's see balance sheet accounts. These are our 1 series up to here. These are all our liabilities. These are all our assets, right? How you can see 22 physical year. It has been carried forward to 22 physical year. Okay, then go back. P&L account related. What is that? P&L account. So here these are our revenues. These are our revenues. These are our expenditure. Okay. So 22 physical year. This has been carried forward to physical year of 22. Okay. Yes, we did this also. Next. Yeah. In the same way, we have to copy the number ranges of 22. What are the number range we are maintaining for the 21 physical year? SCA, KR, KZKA, DR, DZDA, AF document type, right? Whatever the document type for them, we maintain the number range. That is also we can copy it. So once I copied from 21 to 22, again I now need to maintain for SA document type separately, KR, KZKA separately, no need to maintain. Okay, so we can copy that easily. Where in OBH2. Company code. To physical year. Source, this is source. Source physical year means, right? Target. So I'm going to carry forward from 21 to 22. Just execute. Yes. See, 01 is the for essay document type number range, and 05 the AF document type. These are all related to KR, KZ, KA, DR, DZ, DA. So 22 physical year. Let's see. I will show you. I will show you if I go to OBS7 where to maintain the document types, right? Where to maintain the document types. Here, I have taken the, suppose if I go for SCA, select, double click, number range, company code, interval, this 22. I maintained that time 21. Now, so 22, 1 to 1 lakh, right? So this is for 01 means SA document type. So this is for AF document type 22. Okay. So all are maintained for 22. Okay. Fine. So I carry forward the number range also there. Now, yes. Now I am going to open the physical year 22. Till now I am just carry forwarding the balances of 21 to 22. That's it. Now what I have to do, I have to open the periods. Where I can open the periods, Gupta? What is the transaction code to open the periods, Gupta?
OB 52, madam.
Huh?
OB 52.
Yeah, Shrinu, I asked you. I asked Gupta.
Oh, sorry.
Gupta, what is it? Gupta, are you there or not?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? What is the T code for the posting period variant?
Posting period variant, madam.
Open of posting period variant, where you can open the periods. What, Gupta?
I've forgotten.
How to learn the transaction codes, right?
Okay, ma'am.
OB52, right? OB52. There I can open the periods. Okay. So here, position N16. Okay. So here, what I'm doing now, first period. Now I'm going to open which period? 22. 22. Yes. Now I have to discuss about the special periods. I told you at the time of basic settings that I'll discuss this in the closing procedure. Yes. Now I'm going to discuss the closing. These special periods. How many special periods are there, Swarna? What I told?
4, ma'am.
Yes. So why these are part of now which physical year we are in? 22. This is our new physical year. Okay. In this case, what is our previous physical year, Srinu?
Previous 12, madam.
12.
Sorry, I couldn't understand that question, madam. Come
What
again,
is
please.
our physical year now? New physical year is 22. What is our previous physical year?
20, madam.
What?
21 previous.
Yes, right. Now we are going to have 22 new physical year. In this case, our old physical year is 21, right? So here,
Yes, ma'am.
now what I'm doing, no, I have to open the periods of previous physical year 21. Okay, why I need to open the, how many periods I told? Four special periods. 1 to 12 periods are normal. 14, 15, 16, 17, 14, 15, 16, 17. Why? So 13, 14, 15, 16. Why I have to open the previous physical year? Okay, I tell. What is the purpose of using special periods? Have you done this, Gupta? Closing procedure, have you done, Gupta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. special periods. Why special periods are required? Okay, suppose what happens if I don't have special periods? I tell you, if what happen if I don't have the special periods, so that you can easily understand why we have to have. Okay, okay. Suppose now we are in 21. What is the 21 fiscal year? April 1st to March 31st, 22. Right? This is our accounting year or financial year. Now in SAP we call this as a fiscal year. Now this 21 is going to over. Now we are in 22. 22 fiscal year is what actually? Tell me. From where to where it will start? 22 fiscal year, Srinu?
April, madam.
April?
April 1st to March 2023.
Year also you should tell. April
April 2022.
To March
March 2033, 23, madam.
Yes, right? Yes. Right. So now our 22 physical year is this is about our 22 physical year start with April 1st, 22 to okay up to March 23. Yes. Okay, now our 21 physical year is open. Now the end user is just imagine that now we are into 22 physical year. Here, what happened, 10th of April, 22 22, 10th of April means new physical year. From 1st of April, our new physical year is going to start, right? So 22 physical on 10th of April, the account department people, they release the profitability of 21. Okay, in the new fiscal year 22, and which is the date on 10th April. So they finalize the profitability. Who the account department people, they release the profitability. So of 21 fiscal year. Okay. So now the account department people released, but the management, they just verify this profitability and they told them, please post some adjustment entries on the particular profitability. So what they did, the account department people, so since they told management people, so they have to post some adjustment entries, which belongs to 21 physical year. The adjustment entries where they have to post on 21. Okay, what they are doing, they are giving the posting date 31st March 22. Which physical year it is actually?
21, madam.
Huh?
2021.
2021 only. Because they have to update the ledger of 21 only, right? Is it? So that is the reason they have given posting date 31st March 22 means which is 21 physical year. Okay. So documented there just for their reference they have given 15th of April. Actually it belongs to which year?
2022 fiscal year.
22 physical year. Okay, but the ledger is updated based on the posting date or document date, Gupta?
Posting date, ma'am.
Yes, the ledger always updated based on the posting date. This is just for reference. Okay, for their reference, they have given, okay, we are posting on this new 22. Okay, but the updated the posting date by giving the 31st March physical year. Okay, now they posted the entries. Okay, now the profitability is finalized by the management department. Now again, May 5th, new physical year 22, the auditor came and also he said that post some rectification entries on the profitability. So again, these people end user has to give the posting date 31st March only, which is 21 physical year. So just for the reference, May 5th, they have given 22 physical year because on that day they are posting for their reference, they have given this. Okay. So here, when they are into 22 physical year, when they want to post of 21 physical year, they are giving March only, right? March period only, last month, last year, March only they are giving. Okay, fine. Suppose if they look at the ledger, take any GL account, wherever they are posting entries, take that GL account. Suppose they posted some rectification entries or any adjustment entries relating to cash. So I'm giving 21. After posting adjustment entries, after posting rectification entries, when I look at this cash ledger, just think we don't have these 13, 14, 15, 16 not there. Okay, so whatever he's posting, where he's posting, tell me this period, 12th period, March. When he click this, okay. Okay, so just we don't have these periods, 13, 14, 15, 16. So whatever the postings he is doing, where it is going to update? Here now, is it? If we double click this, in this 12 period, normally so many transactions we already posted in 21. Now in the new fiscal year, whatever I'm posting, that is also updating this. And whatever the rectification entries, adjustment entries, all are posting where in the 12th period of. If I want to look at this, okay, if I look at this, it already have so many transactions. Can I able to track what are the adjustment entries I posted? What are the rectification entries I can post it? Can I see that? Tell me. Able to understand or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here end user, okay, end user if he wants to see, no, he can't because he has to check. It has so many transactions which are already posted in the last fiscal year 21. After closing, what are the postings he has done? He wants to see them separately. So that the end user requirement is he wants to see, okay, after closing the 21, what are the adjustment entries I posted? What are the rectification entries I posted? Means he can't see that. So in this case, special periods are useful. Special periods are useful. So how you know? Suppose the same scenario first now, the same scenario, the end user is posting some adjustment entries, which is suggested by the management. So what they will do, no? So they will give the yeah. So now the same scenario, if the end user wants to post any adjustment entries, okay. So what they will give, no? So they will give the posting date 31st March. By this time they will give the 13th period. Here he will give 13th period and he will post some adjustment entries. Again the auditor told post some rectification entry. Okay. By giving the 14th period, he will post the rectification entries. Okay, fine. Finally, so when he look at this ledger, what happened? He wants to see what are the adjustment entries which is suggested by the management. He just go there. He just double click this. There he can see, of course, here I didn't do that. He can see only those adjustment entries. If you want to see a rectification entry, he can go to directly 14th period. So by giving the special periods, he can able to see. Okay, after posting the adjustment entries, what is the profitability he can see. What are the profitability after posting the rectification entry also he can see. So he can able to track whatever the posting he has done after closing the fiscal. If 13, 14, 15, 16 is not there, he has to use the 12th period March only. So whatever the postings are done, it is updating that 12th period only. He can't track because already it has so many transactions which we posted in the fiscal year 21. He cannot see that. Okay, so that is the purpose we use this special period. Any questions, please?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so now what I do now, I am going to open this. Now I'm going to open 22 means it is when what is a special period part of previous physical. So 13, this 16, 21, 13, 14. See, usage of OP, if you want to, if it depends on the client requirement. If you want to open, you can open this, or else it is not required. Okay, so 13, 14, 15, 13, 14, 15, 16, I open of 21. Let's see. Now which physical year now? 22. I am in 22. Okay. Now I go to FDI02. Okay. So what is the document date should I give? This, right? Posting date. I'm giving both to update the ledger of which fiscal year this is? Tell me. This is which fiscal year?
21, ma'am.
21. I'm posting. I want to post to update of 21, but this time, just for my reference, I'm giving 13. Okay. So I posted. I forgot some transactions. For example, cash, salary is going to debit. Okay. Post any transaction. Salary is debit, something cash is going to credit. Just for testing purpose, I want to show you star. What it is 13 I had given, it is changed.
Posting date you have given 22 only, ma'am.
Mhm.
Posting date.
Okay, sorry, 31st is 03, no? Yeah, sorry. Okay, what is this fiscal year? 21 last, right? Is it? Understood. What is this? Our last period, 31st March. 31st March 22 means which fiscal year is?
2022.
Yeah. 21. This is our last period of 21, right? Thirty-first March 22 means our last period.
Yes.
21. Okay, I am posting in. Okay, I close the 21 actually. I close the 21. Now I want to post. Now I'm in 22 physical year. I'm in 22 physical year. I want to post of 21. Means what is the date should I give? 31st March 22 only. So this time I'm giving this one. I'm posting transaction of 21 fiscal year. That is the reason I have given the last period of our 21 fiscal year. Okay, so let's see, save it. Now I'm in 22 fiscal year, but I am posting of transaction which belongs to 21 by giving this 31st March 22. Okay, so let's see the GL balances. Go back. Okay, what I do now? Okay, cash account, salary account, whatever you can check. So, which fiscal year? 21 only. Previous fiscal year 21. Execute. So now I can see here. 13th period, I can directly go, can double click. I want to see what are the transactions have been posted after closing the 21 means. Directly you can come to 13th period. You can click this. You can see the, okay, these are the transactions I posted in the special periods after closing the 21 fiscal year. And just go back. You can see separately, or else if you click this, you can see the ledger of combined together. Okay. So just in the same way, cash execute. I can directly go there. So just imagine suppose 13, 14, 15, 16 is not there. This posted in the 12th period only. Right? I can't see that separately if I want to see that. So by having these special periods, I can directly go there. I can click that so that I can see that. Okay. Any questions? This is the way we use the special periods. Okay. Any questions, please?
No, no, madam.
Okay. This okay. And okay, so we can start CO tomorrow. Okay. So tomorrow also same time CO little bit concept oriented. Okay, so not like FI part, but it is more interesting than FI part. Okay, so we can continue from tomorrow. Okay, CO I'll start tomorrow. Okay, thank you.
Yes, miss.
Yes.